Do you recall your serendipity story? It is a tale of coincidences, chance encounters, and fortuitous moments. Serendipity has profound influence on our lives, creating unexpected but rewarding outcomes. Oftentimes overlooked, we often do not realize that its impact can be life-changing in a positive way. Serendipity is the central theme of this house. It revolves around a family and the hunt for the location of their forever home. After a year of searching, their persistence paid off when the opportunity to purchase one of two adjacent plots presented itself. As fate would have it, they were outbid on their first choice. They secured the second, a slightly bigger plot, which ended up being the perfect site for their needs. Located in a prime residential area in the heart of Novena, Singapore, on a fan-shaped plot, the curved edge runs along the bend of an arterial road, possessing sought-after attributes such as a grand street frontage and proximity to convenient amenities. Such appeal usually comes with concerns of vehicular noise and privacy. Despite being in a densely populated residential area, the owner's desire to recreate the feeling of being outdoors at home stem from fond memories of vacations spent in faraway tropical resorts. A long stone wall lined with vertical plantings and tall trees conceals a large part of this modern house, offering privacy and a welcome disconnect from the city surroundings. External spiral stairs with hidden lighting connect the lower level with the home above. The Serendipity House, designed by Wallflower Architecture, captures the best of both worlds. Its architecture is an exploration of open and seamless garden living in an urban setting. It is an idyllic hideaway, a sanctuary of secret gardens in the heart of the city, living where peace and privacy is prized. The house quietly recedes through layers of vegetation, shielding its inhabitants from the busy street and creating an inner world. To achieve privacy and distance from traffic noise, every room is purposefully located along the two wings of the house. Deliberate location of the altar room above the main door at one end of the wing and the master bathroom at the other end keep the bedrooms on the second floor furthest away from the road. Delicately balancing privacy and connection, the spaces share common connection with the outdoors. Ribbon glass doors and windows blur the distinction between indoor and outdoor, merging them. The open-plan living spaces have high wood ceilings and sliding glass doors on either side that open to outdoor areas. The defined spaces disappear when they open fully. Large windows in the hallways allow the natural light to filter through and at the same time showcase the greenery that surrounds the home. In this modern kitchen, white cabinets allow the plants seen through the long horizontal window to be the focal point. The light brief permitted for large, spacious rooms and high ceilings. In a nod to the aesthetic of a tropical resort, the opportunity to design a beautiful pitched roof was not left to chance. The owners wanted a lifestyle that resembles weekend retreats in a resort clubhouse. Deep overhanging eaves that shield the facade completes the experience of living with tropical elements. There's flexibility in maintaining indoor thermal comfort without relying on artificial means. The owners have not turned on the air conditioning in their spacious living and dining area since moving in. The restrained palette focuses on texture and color. Timber screens filter harsh tropical sun streaming through the tree canopies on the second-story planter. Corridors and spaces on all floors are naturally lit and fringed with vegetation. In a bathroom with a freestanding bathtub, the timber screens are used to create privacy and a lifestyle resembling weekend retreats in a resort clubhouse. The design strategy of an L-shaped party tucked against the shared boundary of neighboring lots allows for an expansive lawn and a 25-meter-long swimming pool in the central garden, creating a secluded and private oasis. Only the sheltered entrance beneath the 9 meters cantilever maintains visual link to the road. Serendipity is a reminder of the power of chance and being open to possibilities. Often cited as key to life-changing decisions, it takes more than being in the right place at the right time. It takes a well-prepared mind to make a serendipitous dream comes true and brought to the fore through thoughtful design.